What? What is the line of discussion with the Honorable Governor today?
To bring peace and normalcy in the state.
What are the conditions you put to the governor?
Condition, we have got some internal condition that I will not flash right now, so it will come afterwards.
Any expectation from the government?
Definitely there will be a peace and normalcy in the state very soon. Very soon. So
we have learned that you are going to surrender few, submit few.
No, we have some terms and conditions regarding the arms. So if the terms and conditions are fulfilled, then we will all surrender the weapons. No problem. Thank you.
Any message for the people, Tamam? Any message?
Yeah, let us stay peace and calm. So let us try to bring normalcy in the state, and let us remain peacefully like before. That's all. Thank you. Positive. Everything is positive. Everything is positive. Thank you.